Okay, we'll still wait for your friends. Please PM them. Okay, I will record our lesson today. Okay, as a reference for them who can't join. Okay, the benefit of you that who can join, all of you can give feedback. Okay, you can give feedback if I ask you any questions, so you can answer. Who is this? Okay.
Boleh kau abang join?
Boleh. Hi Nurul Kristina, hi Ashikin, hi Akil Daniel, hi Nurul Madiha. Okay, let's wait for another 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, hi Nurul Ashikin. Okay. Hi. Okay, PM your friends. It's only around 8 pupils here. Okay. Hi Shafi'i. Okay, Shafi'i, be a good boy, okay? Okay, before we get to start, I want to show to all of you of our lesson today. So I will show you the okay, I will show you the WhatsApp screen for one class, for example, because I want to make sure that everyone in our class today will know what we will learn today, okay? What we must achieve and what we will learn today, okay? So I'm going to show you this screen. Wait. Okay. Okay, can you see this WhatsApp screen of two Amarilis? Can you see it? Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Hi, Harinisha. Guys, can you see this? Hi, Nurhana. Can you see this screen that I am actually doing the sharing now?
Yes.
Can.
Okay, very good. Okay, so
Yes.
okay, this one I already posted to you, right? Okay, so okay, it's already 5:16. So I bet we should start now. Okay, without further ado, who is calling? In calling. Who is calling? Wait. Okay, so without further ado, Allahu Akbar. Who is this? Wait, okay, wait. Some of person message me. Okay, wait,
Nanti tak tahu. Ini nanti ko. Tak tahu.
You see anything?
Di sini lagi. Kau tahu, yang ni kau dah belajar. Ini untuk apa bisa
Okay, so wait, sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, okay, if you look at this,
syarikat.
Okay, if you look at this screen, sorry. Okay, now let's have a look at our one more time. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at our this OPAM. So I bet everyone will copy this in your exercise book. Okay, this is a must. Okay, this is a must, means you have to copy this in your exercise book. Okay, as usual, our OPAM is 4.1.1. This is done last week. Okay, I mean the exercises that, sorry, the exercise that you have answered in the link provided. It's about an email. You have to reply an email about your friends having problem with all the recycling waste that he or she had, and they don't know what to do with it for the science project. So I hope all of you have already answered the question in the link and copied the answer in the exercise book. Okay, but for today, for today's lesson, we will continue with this okay, I'm so sorry, that is 4.3. Okay, that is 4.3. Okay, the email writing, replying, feedback is 4.2.3. Okay, we have done it last week. Is what part 1, email writing, replying email. Okay, so the first 4.1.1, is that you have to do the listing of the recycled item that can be used as a finishing product. Okay, so I give you a hint. I hope all of you already draw a bubble map and list down. Wait, I need to approve our friends. Okay, hi Anissa Seni, hi. Anissa Seni and which one, the other one, Nasrullah. Okay, where were we? I'm so sorry. Wait, okay, so this one. Okay, so today we will continue this with answering paper 2. Last week paper 1. I hope all of you have done it, because if you are not done it, I will only okay, for your information, I will only tick the point of the 4.2.3 who already sent only. If you are not sending anything, I cannot tick your name in the transit record. I cannot tick. So that means you are not achieve anything. Okay, you are not doing anything. So let your friends know about it. Hi Ahmad Iqbal. Okay, so make sure all of you done it, finish it. Okay, and please post the picture of last week replying email of your friends. Okay, in your class Telegram. Okay, if you don't have Telegram because your handphone is actually, you know, wait. Hi Anissa Seni. Hi Aina Shafika. Okay. Sorry, continue. Okay, if your handphone is actually quite heavy, I mean for the apps to be installed, you may WhatsApp me, but please, I prefer Telegram, because my WhatsApp, if too much information, sometimes auto delete. So that is what I'm afraid of. Okay, so please send to the Telegram. Okay, so this one, for this paper 2 part 2 of 120 word essay, you need to write it. Okay, so don't worry, today I will guide you one by one how to write it. Okay, so today what we are going to learn is writing a report. Okay, okay, hi Putri. Okay, wait now. Okay, so if you look at our lesson objective, okay, by writing a report, Allah, wait. Hi Arina Shazana. Okay, wait, okay. By writing a report, okay, and by elaborating the ideas given on cleanliness program. Don't worry, who don't yet bought the book, I will give you the slide. Okay, the slide for you to copy the questions. Okay, and I will post also the picture of a question, sorry, of the example of the report, and with the question of a report that you have to do for today's lesson. Okay, so don't worry. So about the situation given from the question, copy your answer in the workbook. Okay, don't worry. I will prepare to you the question. Okay, the question will be given in the picture. I already snap it. I already scan it, and I will show it to you. So for this purpose, I will show it to you for our lesson. Okay, in the video. Okay. I mean in our meet. Okay, success criteria activity 1. So today all of you must be able to write in about 120 words. Okay, you already note there. Don't worry, teacher will help you to write it. Okay, by giving some ideas for you to write it. Okay, so now let's have a look at our okay, this one. Okay, you need to produce a plan or draft of 2 paragraphs or more. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to stop sharing this. I will share to you the next lesson, I mean of our essay that need to be answered today. Okay, wait. I will show it to you. Okay, before we get to start, I'm going to give you some notes. Okay, some notes about this. Okay, don't worry if you already have this book. You just have to read it. Okay, and underline any keywords of the question. Okay, I hope all of you can see this. Wait. I'm going to share it. Okay, now can you look at this? Screen? Anyone? Everyone? Can you look at this screen?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes. No.
Oh, it's not clear. Wait, I'm going to resize it.
I can see the word.
Yeah, wait. Okay. Slideshow. How about slideshow? Cannot see. Still cannot see. Wait. Resize. Best for wait. Cannot. Wait. Allah. Guys, can you see it? Hey. What is this? Allahu Akbar. Okay, this is the question, okay? Alamak. Sorry. This is the weakness of the technology. If we overclicked, everything comes out. Wait. Where is the question just now? Okay, this is the question. Wait. I'm going to edit it. How about okay, not. Okay, wait. Wait. Animated, no. How about this one? Try to make it bigger. Wait. Can you see it, guys? Okay, can you see it? Oh, okay.
No, cannot.
Oh, cannot.
No.
Okay, wait. Wait.
No.
Wait. Sabar. Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm trying my best. Okay. Now I'm using the paint. Okay. So now it's clearly stated that a report is a written account in formal language. You know a report, okay, with the purpose of relying information of an event or an account. Account is not the account debit, credit, about money. No. Account here means is something happening. Okay, something happening. Recount means something that you confront it. Okay, confront something that you terjumpa dengan that one experience. Okay, account something that already happened. Okay, an event or an account. It is written to specific audience with tailored contents in mind. Okay, shh. Sorry, my son's voices. Okay, now. Whoa. Okay, here are some examples of events or accounts that you could write report on. Events that have occurred, telah berlaku. Okay, your observation of a particular phenomenon. Okay, wait. Okay, particular phenomenon means something that happen, especially for example, in a moment. For the first thing, what we saw yesterday. Let's say something happened. Let's say a wedding event. Okay, a wedding event. For the first thing, what do you saw yesterday? Okay, what did actually you sorry, what you have encountered. I'm so sorry. My daughter's trying to, where were we just now? Where were we just now? Okay, about particular phenomenon. Okay, a field trip with your class. Okay, summarizing a survey or findings from a graph table or chart. Okay, providing a comparison of two choices. Okay, now tips and tricks. Decide the purpose of the report. Why are you writing the report? What is the report for? What is the report for? Why are you writing the report? Okay, know your intended reader. Who is your reader? So whenever you write down, make sure your language is communicative. Means reach your audience. Okay, reach your audience. For example, if have you ever read newspapers? So the newspaper will be read actually by the citizens of Malaysia. So all the languages, all the things that you read, after you read the newspaper, but then you are an audience. When you look at the newspaper, if you look at the language there, must actually communicate with you. Do you understand what I mean? Do you get it? Class, do you get it?
Little bit.
Do you get it? Whenever you write, whenever you read, whenever you read a newspaper, there's something feeling you will actually comes out. When you read the newspaper, there's a one feeling. Oh, you are reading the news, so you will feel alert. So all the languages there, most of it using the alert language. You understand or not? Telling you something. For if you are actually reading the what is called reading the maybe about some education, so maybe the language in the education report, you understand or not, will inform you something, so you will know something better. Understand or not? So that is why research the topic. So it's about research. Research means kajian. Okay, write in simple past tense. This is a must. Yes, what is it?
Can we use article?
Articles mean, okay, report, articles different. Articles means something that you want to share, something that you want to, for example, a moment with my grandmother. Understand or not? A moment with my grandmother. So you are sharing with people about what you are actually doing with your grandmother. What is your special moment? That is article. Okay, for report, something that you want to let people know. For example, our school having this let's say, what program at school have you attend? Let's say what is called the program last year before the COVID one, the Watika Pelantikan. Have you Watika Pelantikan is only the kepimpinan. Any event last year you attend? Maybe the gotong royong. In English, still the gotong royong. Do you know gotong royong?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, okay.
Yes.
In English, we call it cleanliness. Okay, cleanliness program. Okay, but still some words gotong royong still be used. Okay, so whatever we have done in the school, we have to report it. Understand or not? Report means something formal. It's a formal thing. Report on the gotong royong of SMK Bukit Sentosa 2, or report of the cleanliness program of SMK Bukit Sentosa 2. You know, you have to put date there. It's got date. Article don't have date. You understand or not? Hi Rose Khadijah. Article don't have date. You understand or not? Guys, do you understand? Can you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Report is formal. Okay. Article is formal also, but article we got title. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, let me show you something. Wait. I'm going to show you one in my Telegram got the tips between the article and the report. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. In the same time, I need to admit students. So sorry, be patient. Okay. Hi Anwar Wafi. Okay. Where were we just now? Okay, I'm going to stop this first. Where were we? I'm going to stop this. Wait. I'm going to stop this first. Okay, wait. Give me a moment. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you something from my Telegram. Okay, I hope all of you can see this. Wait. Okay, can you see my Telegram? Okay, now I'm showing you my Telegram.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to show you the format. Okay, wait. Okay, look at here. Okay. Okay, this article. Can you look at this? Can you look at this?
Yes.
Can.
But it's
Yes.
little bit
Okay.
blurred.
Oh, okay, it's okay. This article, okay, when writing an article, you must give your article a title, okay? 1 mark, include the name of the writer and use all points given. Okay, points given usually you have found already last year at the bubble map, right? The WH question, what, where, why, who, right? So how, right? So this is the essay format for the article. Okay, this is for the article. What is the title? Okay, crime prevention is in our neighborhood by Lionel Messi, for example. So if you look at the report, okay, let's take a look at the report. Okay, now let's take a look. Now, report. If you look at the report, if you see here, when writing a report, you must address your report to, let's say you are actually the student, so you need to send the report to the principal. So if you look at here, you look at my screen here. Okay, provide a title, include your name, use all the notes given. Like usual, notes given 5W1H and the bubble map. Okay, to Encik Abu bin Hashim. Okay, for example, our principal at school is Puan Hajah Noreha bin Nordin, the principal of SMK Bukit Sentosa 2. So what is the title? The title, after this we will learn about the title, okay? So and then blah blah blah, your essay. And then don't worry, I will show you the example of the report essay. You don't get blurred. I will show it to you one by one. This is the format first. Okay, and then reported by Zain Malik. Now, class, do you understand the differences between the article and the report? Hello? Okay. Now you understand already. Now I'm going to show you another screen. Okay, I will stop sharing this. So I'm going to show you the wait. Okay. Okay. So this is the last time I show it to you. Okay. Now look at, okay, plan your paragraph. So this is how you write it. Okay, write the title of the report here and underline it. So class, have you buy this book already? Have you buy it?
No. Yes.
Okay, if you have buy it, open page 4. Okay, I already gave the, okay, page 4. I already gave you the instruction. Okay, class, you don't say you don't faham, you tak faham, you don't say you don't understand and so on. Because I always give the instructions. I always give the instruction in the WhatsApp group, okay? I always posted it, okay, before our lesson, okay? So you have to read the instruction thoroughly, thoroughly. You have to look at it, observe it, okay? Don't you say, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do. You need to read the instruction, the activity there, okay? Whatever I have actually already wrote it for you, okay? So, now, if you look at this book, page 4, okay, same as here. In the introduction, okay, paragraph, you usually give a brief overview of what the report is about and describe the main points, event that you would like to express, okay? What is it? Main points. About what? Overview. Let's say the date, the time, the day, the place, okay? That is very usual format. For the introduction, overview, the place, the time, the date, what is it? The day, and the people who involved. The people who involved. Okay, for example, last week, for example, here a survey was conducted among the Form 2 students of SMKX on how they travel to school every day. So this is about the mode of transportation. So maybe you can write down last week, okay, last week, our school, SMK Bukit Sentosa 2, was conducted a cleanliness program. You understand or not? A cleanliness program. That is the name of our program. The program, the overview. When it actually has been done. This is a past participle. Okay, it has been done. Okay. Or if you don't want to use past participle, you can use it was. It was. What is the date? The day and the time. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So if you look at here, describe the main points or event that you would like to express. So you just say the overall overview. Okay, the general knowledge about your report. Understand or not? Okay. Then number 2, in the body paragraph, you would be required to explain the details of an event. This one, you don't worry, I will give you the point here. Okay, if you look at here, wait. I'm going to stop this. I'm going to show you the question. Wait. Allah. Okay. This is how it goes if we are using this online. Okay. The next picture. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, sharing. Okay, now, can you see the question? Can you see the question now? This is page 5. This is page 5, okay? So, if you look at the question, now, date, time, and place. Okay, that is for the introduction. And then the second one is preparation for the events. Okay, up to you. Description of the activity, games, or activities first. Also, can also. Okay, can also, not also can. Can also. Okay, can also. But I prefer to use this preparation for the events. Okay, so before we do the work for the last week, before we did it, we have to assign bunches of students of doing this, right? Bunch of students doing this, bunch of students doing this. Okay, for example, let's say maybe 20 or 250 students involved in the program, in the cleanliness program. So you may assign, okay? We were assigned. You use past tense, right? We were assigned, got ed there, ASSIGNED. We were assigned into 5 groups of people, of students. Let's say that is the preparation of events, okay? So the first you are assigned, and then what are the tools that you needed, okay? So the tools that we were using the tools are, for example, big plastic bag. Sorry, tongue twister. Big plastic bag. Okay, and then what else? maybe the dustbin, big dustbin that differentiate the item or material. For example, for paper, paper. For glass, only for glass. For plastic bottles, only for plastic bottles. And for aluminium tin or aluminium can is for the aluminium can. So you already divided the group. So everyone will do their part. Okay, wait, admit. Okay, hi. Izara Izaman. Okay, hi Izara Izaman. Okay. So now, where were we? Okay, so now preparations of the event done. Okay, done. So you have to edit some more, up to you what you want to add. Okay, maybe some of the students prepare for the drinks. Okay, for the drinks and for foods. Maybe some simple maybe some simple dishes. Okay, for example sandwiches. Okay, so next, description of the games or activities. Maybe you can somebody doing the collection of the unwanted material. Okay, the waste material, and some group collect all the unwanted or materials or waste, but they sorting, they were sorting it, asingkan, okay, kelaskan, okay, so they were sorting it into their grade. Okay, grade means the class. Okay, for example paper, bottle, plastic bottle, and so on. Okay, and then Allah. Okay, and then what next? Maybe some of the group of students doing, wash the, the drain, longkang, drain, the drain which clogged, tersumbat, okay, clogged, okay. Now, next, maybe some of them wash the bathrooms, okay, and maybe some of them doing all the, what is called that, decoration. Okay, decoration of the classes. Okay, make sure all the classes clean and neat and tidy. Okay, so that is all the activities. Maybe the games you can put there about who get the first done. Okay, who gets first done the job, maybe get something. Okay, maybe something there, award. Okay, so the most exciting moment you can put, finally, after all of you, wait, I admit people. Hi Afiq. Hi Afiq. Okay. Wait. Okay. Maybe for the most exciting moment, you are actually eating together at the canteen. Okay, that was the most exciting moment that you never had after you are actually tired of doing all that. Okay, so what else exciting moment? Maybe your teacher or your friends singing for you. Okay, okay, so that's all for the report, whatever happens during the program. Okay, so that is about report. Okay, let's go to the example. I already helped you just now, the how to write it. Okay, maybe 3 or 4 paragraph, up to you. So now I'm going to show you this one. Okay, I'm going to show you this one. Some of you maybe ask to be, teacher, why is Form 2 essay is quite hard? Kenapa susah? Because you are Form 2. The level of knowledge is actually already high. So you are actually cannot write the essay like Form 1. Cannot. Okay, you have to write it like this, more knowledgeable. Okay, so that is why. So you need to bear with it, not bear like beruang, bear with it, just kena tahan. You have to adapt. You have to adapt, and then you have to take it. Okay, so now if you look at this, okay, now this is about the body. If you look about the body, you would be required to explain the details of an event. So this one I have told you, the preparation of event, the description of activities and the games there. Wait. Hi Nur Fatin Najwa. Okay, so now Don't forget to provide examples and supporting information. So examples, I already told you about the types of dustbin, okay, the plastic bags, the tools. I already gave you the example, the tools that you are actually using for the cleanliness program, okay. The supporting information. What is the supporting information? So supporting information means what are you doing and what you have to do it. Why you have to do it. For example, we were collecting all the waste that can be recycled and put it into a different dustbin. Put the supporting information. Okay, we were doing that for saving our earth, for our future. So that is the supporting information. So understand or not? Okay. Each body paragraph should only include one main point. So I already told you before, collected. Okay, collected, differentiate, sorting. You should use all the vocabulary like that. Okay. So now, for example, if you have two main points, then you are expected to write two body paragraphs. So remember, if two body paragraphs, so that means one for the introduction, body paragraph, you have two, and then the conclusion, you have one. So you have 4 paragraphs. It's okay to have 5 paragraphs as long as 120 words over. Okay, 120 words over. Okay, so now in the conclusion, you should provide a summary of the main points of finding events. For this one, okay, in the report and a reason to your summary. Okay, why you write the summary? Why you write the report? Okay, for example, for this one, you should say, you should say that you thanked to the friends, okay, to the teachers who helped you to do or to help the school. Okay, and then what else? You have to say your feeling about it. Okay, for the conclusion, you should enhance means tekankan. Okay, in the conclusion, you should enhance about why you write the report. Why and how do you feel? Okay, why and how do you feel? So after reading the report, somebody will feel something whenever they read your report. Okay, so far, if you look at this example, overall more than half of the students in the survey, you see, rely on the some form of motorized blah 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 if more students were to walk. So here they put some suggestion. Okay, suggestion. So you can put a suggestion here. Okay, for conclusion, you can say finally or lastly, I think this cleanliness program should be done at least once or twice a year, setahun or 2 tahun sekali. So reported by, so that's all kan. So reported by your name and your position. For example, Akil Daniel, secretary of consumer club, pengguna, consumer club. Can. Okay, SMK Bukit Sentosa 2. Done. Anyone? Do you have any problem writing this email? Writing this email just now. Writing this essay, anyone? Let me know if you have any problem.
No.
Okay, so far you understand, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. So you need to, I will post to you the picture of the question, don't worry. Okay, the bubble map there. Please, 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 even though the point stated there, please trigger, do write the WH, 5W1H around the circle. So you will know which one to use. Maybe what and why, what and where, what and who. Okay, you must relate with two. Combine it. And maybe what and how, and maybe what, why, and how. Okay, so always make sure you relate with the 5W1H, so you won't get stuck. Supaya alamak, what, alamak, tak boleh tulis, alamak, no, nothing will happen if you always trigger the 5W1H. I told you before, okay, for my last year class. Okay, so 5W1H technique is helping, okay, especially for the one who are actually, oh yes, Afiq, what is your question? I see you raise your hands. Afiq? Hello, Afiq. Just now I saw the name raising hands, so I thought he actually want to ask. Okay, anyone, if you want to ask, please click the hands there so I may know who wants to ask questions. So I think it's done. Just simple but done. Okay, so anything. Before I start discuss the last week assignment or the last week homework about the email that your friend asking for your help about science project, right? Guys, hello.
Yeah.
Thank you for replying, Arina. Thank you. So can I stop at our essay and we discuss about our email reply last week? Guys, okay,
Yes.
so okay. So about the essay is done. Hi Muhammad Afiq. Okay, about the essay for paper 2, part 2, 120 words over, done. It's about a report. I already explained to you. I just give a briefing for plenary, means the finally the closing. Okay, format done. Article and report you have you knew already. Okay, how to write it, the introduction, the overview, the body, 1.1 body, and you explain with the 5W1H, and the conclusion or the closing must put how you feel and any suggestion you want to put there, and you want to thank to anyone. You have to thank to anyone. Okay, thank, past tense, thanked, THAKNED. THANKED, yes, thank to everyone who involved in the program, whatever events. So that is called a report. You are reporting. Mommy, little brother didn't do his homework. That is reporting. So you must put your feeling there. Okay, 5W1H, don't forget. So done. Now we are going to the discussion of the last work email replying. So I'm going to show you the question last week. Okay, afraid might somebody or some of you forgot. Wait, I'm going to show you the last week question. Okay, the last week question. Okay, I'm going to share it with you because I received, sorry, if in English bad words I don't want to say, but some of you did send what is called mengarut. I don't want to say that words. Okay, the answers. Okay, so I just want to tell you how to answer it. Okay, this one is part, sorry, double form. This one is typo. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see? Guys,
Yes.
can you see?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Typo, read the message from. Okay, your friend, your pen friend Lucy. Okay, hi Aaron, I think I have some problems with my school assignment. I had a few science project that need to be done. This is past participle. Dia past tense, but past participle, but past participles mean something in the future but must be done. Okay, that is called past participle. Okay, something like that. Okay, it's like for example, for another example, the car had gone. The car had gone. You understand or not? That is past participle. Okay, the car gone, past participle. Was if you are using was, it's past tense. Past participle means something happen in the future but you know it already. It's like that. Okay, that need to be done. Need to be done. You know, you know that it has to be done. Need to be done. So that is past participle. Okay, by using recycled material, I have a few plastic bottles. Hello, please give me. I have a few plastic bottles and aluminium cans, but I don't know what to do with the waste. Okay, I hope you can help me with it. So now, what is the keyword of the question? Keyword of the question is here. Okay, here. Write a message giving suggestion to her problem. Yes, what is it? Wait, yeah, what is it?
Can stop first.
Wait, which one? Wait. Okay, what is it? Cans.
Can.
Cans means a tin.
Oh.
Aluminum cans. Pepsi, KFC. Understand not?
Yeah.
I understand.
Okay. Aluminium cans. We shouldn't call tin. Tin is actually like bahasa Melayu. Okay. Aluminium cans. Okay. Cans. Okay. Don't confuse with can. Can is how to say about it. Can have two. Can boleh. Can one aluminium can. Satu tin aluminium. So it depend. It depends how the can is used. Okay. Okay. Now. Aluminium cans. Okay, now the keywords of the question, giving suggestion. What is the problem? Got assignment, got the material, but don't know what to do. So the keyword in the question, don't know what to do with the waste. So that is the second keyword. So you have to help Lucy. So you have to say, hi Lucy, it is bad to hear from you. I pity you. Okay, I had you can share your experience. I have a few experience of dealing with these recycled materials. You can say recently I have finished one of my science project. You share with your friends. You giving her ideas. You are actually giving her ideas. Okay, so you have to say, let's say I have finished one science project. I actually I have been using the plastic bottles, okay, to from the original waste plastic bottles into a let's say do you know a pencil case? Do you know pencil case? Pencil case?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You take the plastic bottles and then you cut, let's say bottles. Okay. Let's say this is a bottle, let's say, and then you cut the head of the bottle, not the highest one, not the neck, the middle of the bottle. You cut it. Don't cut it off. Don't cut it off. Just cut it until you actually got a few inch of that, and then you put, zipper. Whenever you want to wear something, got zip. Zip, the things that people used to when they sewing, menjahit, zip. Zip. Zip.
Yeah.
You put the zip
Yes.
there. Yeah, you put the glue and put zip there. Lah, wallah. You can make it as your water. What is called that? Water. What is called that? Kalis air. Water. Waterproof pencil case. Waterproof pencil case. So whatever, for example, your pencils, maybe your, what else? What else is your stationery, very expensive stationery. You don't want it to get wet, so you can put in the bottle with the zip. So whenever it's raining, so that is one of your project of science. So you are using that bottle, plastic bottle, and then you change it. So you can say with your friend, I have finished my one science project. I had changed the plastic bottles. I turned it into a pencil case, a waterproof pencil case. So you can sell it, you get money, and in the same time you save the environment. Understand or not? Do you understand?
Yes.
You have to say what, and then you have to say why. The supporting information. Why you want to save the environment? The reason is why you don't want our earth to get sick. That is why you are actually sharing the science project. Okay, you have to help her. The next, aluminium cans. Everything you can do with the aluminium can. For example, maybe you can cook something with the aluminium cans, like scouts, pengakap scouts. They will use the aluminium cans. They will make some hole in the middle, and then the on upper can, the upper can, they will cut it, okay, and then they put fire, and then they can boil water. You understand or not?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you can look at it at any Google's DIY, do it yourself. There are so many ideas using these recycled materials. I mean the material that can be recycled. Recycled materials mean material can be recycled. Recycling means different. Recycling means you are actually using that one. You are not using that one. Recycling means you are doing the recycling project. For example, you are actually put the plastic bottle in the dustbin for plastic bottle, for plastic, and then you put the paper in the paper. So you send the waste into the recycling process. You understand or not? You understand or not?
Yes.
That is called
Yes.
recycling. Recycling. Recycled material, you have to use the material that you want to throw, but you don't want to throw. So that can be recycled. You take it back and then you produce something else. So that is recycled materials. Understand or not? I'm sorry, I
Yeah.
can't explain in Malay because this is English lesson. I'm so sorry. Some of your friends, teacher, I don't know English. You cannot say you don't know English. You have learned English starting from standard 1, darjah 1, standard 6 until standard 6, darjah 6. And then you learn form 1 and then form 2. You cannot say you tak tahu, you don't understand, you cannot. I'm so sorry, I cannot explain in Malay because this is English language subject. So whatever things that you need, you have to do. You need to adapt. Oh, my teacher. Oh, my mommy. You see, my daughter also speak with me. Oh, my mommy. Oh, sorry. It's called, it means, okay, my mommy. Yes, sorry. Okay, so now everyone got any question?
No.
No, so I hope everyone can do it. So the last week assignment or homework must be done and sent. If not, I will not tick and you are actually not approve. Will not approving you band 2. You only will get band 1. Okay? Please, okay? So that's all I think. Anything you can ask me, PM. Please send your work, snap the picture and send your work in the link provided. Okay? Send the file there, the picture images there. Okay? Okay, inshallah, I will look by one by one. I will try because I have around, for Form 2, I have around 168 students. Okay? I have 15 class. So bear with it. Be patient. Okay? If I'm okay, I hope all of you can do it. So far don't have any question. Yes. Okay. Do you have
Yes,
any
no.
question?
No.
No, very good. So that's all. After this, you can refer to the WhatsApp. I will put the picture snap there, the question, the example, all there. Okay. So that's all. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you for attending my class. Okay.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you.
Okay. You can leave it first. Okay.
You can see, but your answer. You can see, but your answer.
I know. I can see it. Hey, you just saying my mommy. What you put on my laptop? Yeah. Okay.
Mama, that's a baby.
Ayah, don't do like this lah. Okay, bye. You can left. You can leave. You can left. I'm sorry. Okay, guys. Bye.